Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can attach a file to a Teams meeting. So once at the Microsoft Teams conference call, first and foremost you need to open the chat. You can do that by tapping anywhere at the screen. Once this little field appears, tap at the chat icon, then start typing a message. Then tap on this plus sign at the left part of the message field, then choose attach option. After that, in your storage or through your file explorer, choose what particular picture or file or document you would like to attach, and then just hit the send button like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.